Ngonyaka odlule uMengameli Ramaphosa waphendula isoyi lapha ukuze kwakhiwe izizinda sezinkampani ezikhiqiza izingxenye zokwakha izimoto zakwaFord. Emva kwezinyanga eziyisithupha lo msebenzi uqhubeka kahle kanti sekudaleke izinkulungwane ezemisebenzi okuhlomula kuyo abantu bendawo.
I want to say, Mr. President, the community of Mamelodi is looking forward to this project growing and moving from one phase to the other because Mamelodi has got a lot of unemployed people, a lot of township businesses, but so far, so good.
Uma ukwakha sekuphotshuliwe, izinkampani ezikhiqizela abakwaFord izingxenye ziyongena lapha bese nazo zidala izinkulungwane zemisebenzi. Ukusondela kwabakhiqizi bezingxenye kuzokwenza ukuthi iFord ikwazi ukwandisa kakhulu isibalo sezimoto zohlobo leFord Ranger ezikhiqizayo lapha bese zithunyelwa amazweni aphesheya. Lo msebenzi uzodla izizumbulu zamabhiliyoni ayishumi samarandi.
It's the biggest investment in Ford's 97-year history in South Africa and one of the largest ever in the local automotive industry. And this represents Ford's firm and ongoing commitment to South Africa.
uMengameli Ramaphosa wamukele ngezandla ezifudumele lokutjalwa kwezimali ngabakwaFord.
Foreign investment also does not only bring in money, it brings in skills, it also brings in technology and know-how. And that is why foreign direct investment is valuable and important. And it is for this reason that we welcome Ford Motor Company to be here in South Africa and to stay. They've been here for 97 years. We want them to stay for another 100 years. Because this enhances our position as a country within the global and regional value chains.
uMengameli uphinde watusa abakwaFord ngokuheha ukutjalwa kwezimali yizinkampani esebenzisana nazo.
Ford Motor Company is like a beautiful flower, and it has attracted all these wonderful bees.
uMengameli Ramaphosa uthe lokutjalwa kwezimali kuyigxathu elibalulekile kakhulu ekufezweni kohlelo likahulumeni lokuthuthukisa ezomnotho kuleli i-Economic Recovery Plan. Mbongeni Mutsho, SABC, eGoli.